Hi, congratulations on wanting to share your Mannatech customer referral link. Here's what you do. Your first thing you do is you come to mannatech.com and you click on sign in. Now, if this is the first time you're signing in, you'll come down here and you'll click on create an account and you will use the Mannatech account number that was sent to you via email. It should be in your emails. Then you'll log in. I'll just log in here. Now, once you have logged into your account, you'll scroll down, you'll notice that your loyalty referral points will come here. So when you refer someone to Mannatech and they buy product, and they've clicked on your link and they buy product, your loyalty and referral points will show up here. Next, you're going to make sure you have to have ticked this box here to participate, and then that will ungrade. This will allow you to use this link that you'll press copy. If you would like to test this link, this is incredibly important. You want to log out. So I click on this log out button. If you do not log out, it will not work correctly. So log out of your account and you come up here and you paste it into your browser, and then that will open up your referral page. Now let's say you want to send a link specifically to a product. So we come here, so as you can see, I'm shopping under this person here. And so if I want to send my own link to a specific product that I like, I click on shop and I want to send the weight and fitness. So that'll open up here. Now what I do, see this little blue circle? I click on this blue circle and I copy this link. This link now is the link that will send them directly to all of these products. But what if I just want to send them to the maintenance bundle? Then I click on the maintenance bundle. Very simple. Next, I come over to this blue circle again. I click there and I press copy. And when I send that, that will send them directly. It will send them directly to this page, shopping under me or my customer. So it's so simple to do, but make sure if you want to test it that you do log out. All of your referral points and credits will show up inside of your back office. Congratulations, share the love, start helping other people get on the Mannatech products today. Have a lovely day. Bye.